Understanding the phrase, "It's a windy day" in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, "It's a windy day." This phrase is simple but packed with meaning, and understanding it can help English language learners in daily conversations. So, let's dive in and unravel the layers of this phrase. "It's a windy day" seems straightforward, but it has specific elements that are worth examining. Let's break it down. "It's" is a contraction of "it is," indicating a present state. "Windy" is an adjective describing the weather condition, specifically referring to the presence of strong air movement. "Day" refers to the time period, in this case, the current day. Understanding each word helps in grasping the overall meaning of the phrase. Using "it's a windy day" in conversation depends on the context. 1. Descriptive. It's often used to describe the weather. For example, "I'm wearing a jacket because it's a windy day." 2. Conversational. It can start or respond in small talk. Like, "It's a windy day, isn't it?" Perfect for flying kites. 3. Figurative use. Rarely, it might be used metaphorically to describe a situation full of changes or disturbances. Understanding the context ensures appropriate usage of the phrase. In different English-speaking regions, the reaction to a windy day can vary. In places where wind is common, the phrase might be a casual remark. In other areas, it might prompt discussions about weather changes or outdoor activities. Being aware of these cultural nuances is crucial for effective communication. And there you have it. "It's a windy day" is more than just a weather report. It's a phrase rich in meaning and context. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Stay tuned for more insights into English language learning.